Hello everyone, welcome to this new Cloud 3D tutorial. We're going to create today prints using the artificial intelligence tool that the software has included. I'm Lucia. If you want to see some of my work, you can follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna leave there the account tagged. And subscribe to the channel if you want to continue learning and seeing some tutorials about technology applied to fashion. Okay, I'm gonna work on this design I have on the screen, which is mostly white. And I'm going to apply our print on this fabric that is on the sides, okay? Which is, if I see the object browser, fabric 1. Okay, so I'm going to select fabric 1 in here, and I'm going to go down to the property editor where it says material. If I go to the top right, I see this tiny icon here. I'm going to select it, and that is going to open this pop-up window, which is the AI texture generator, okay, which is in a beta phase, which means it is an experimental phase. They are working still on it, but we can use it anyway to explore a bit and to create some experimental printings. So here I have some settings. The first one is the type of fabric I want. I'm going to leave it in satin as it was, but there are some other options you can explore. Content type gives me two options, art and print. And depending on the option I choose here, I have some others in the following selector. Okay, for example, if I choose art, I have here some artistic or abstract options. Okay, like oil painting, watercolor, and so on. And if I choose here print in the following selector, I have other options, maybe more related to geometrical patterns. Okay, let's use art, and I'm going to say watercolor. And I can choose the size of the pattern. Yes, I have 4 scales, 4 sizes to choose, from 1 to 4, from small to bigger. Okay, I'm going to leave it in the maximum size, 4. And in the prompt, I'm gonna write the instructions I will give to the generator to create my pattern. As in every artificial intelligence tool, the more specific is the prompt, the more precise is going to be the result I get. Okay, but I always can iterate. Yes, based on the result, adjust the prompt. Let's say like this. And generate. Okay, meanwhile, here I have the history, yeah, where I'm going to see the successive patterns I'm going to create. If I want to make any adjustment, I correct the prompt and generate again, regenerate. If I'm happy with the result, I touch apply, and it's going to be applied straight away on my fabric with a perfect repetition. If you have a close look, you're gonna see that there are no mistakes on the repetition. I have this line here, but it is because of the pattern making, not because of the print. But if I'm happy with everything, I touch apply, close, and I have already the print applied. And if later I want to create the print layout, I have the fabric roll created already with the pattern we did on the generator. But we're going to leave that for a further tutorial. If you're happy with this tutorial, please like, comment, and share with your design friend, and subscribe to the channel to see more content.